Come on, son. Come on, you ready to vacuum? Come on, get your vacuum. It's yours. Is it on? Is it on, fat man? Get some more batteries. Your turn. Get that in. Yeah. Come on. Use yours. Good, you gotta use yours. Yeah. Look. Vacuum. Got vacuum too, my daddy. Yeah. Yes, man. Get it, man. Yee. Come over here. Look, vacuum right here. Come on. Come on, come over here. What did you say, boy? Get that man. Get that man. Get that man. Yeah. Yes, man. You got it? Alright, that's her. That's gonna do like grown man. That's gonna do like grown man. Really supposed to get yours, son. Son, here. Get yours. Oh, get the floor clean. There you go, get the floor clean. Back to the floor. Get the floor clean. There you go. Yeah, put the elbow up. Put the elbow into it. Put the muscle to it. Pick it up. Pick it up and back in there. So you like that. You like that. Turn around. Turn. Come on, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. No, get yours up. Get yours. There you go. Hey. 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 I'm talking about dude. I'm talking about dude. Yeah, back in that floor, ball. Back in that floor, ball. Back in that floor, ball. Yeah. Get y'all the lane. Yeah, son. Get y'all lane to it, son. Yeah. 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 You had to slap it one time. So stop messing with you. Tell him. Say, don't mess with me. Yeah, son. That's it. Look. Put this dirty ass wrong. I'm gonna clean that room before they got nothing to it. Look at it. No downstairs. Yeah. You done? You done? Good. This on right here. You ain't even do nothing. Don't pick yours up. You ain't even do nothing, dude. Come on, man. Yeah. Alright, we got the main part, son. Now we gotta put the rug down. We got back in the rug. Ooh. Fix your side. Fix your side, that man. Fix your side. You gotta move the vacuum. Move the vacuum. Your vacuum stuck, look. You gotta move your vacuum out the way. That shit is straight. See all this? From your messy eating ass. That's from your messy eating ass. From all of us. My messy eating ass too, huh? Daddy really don't have to vacuum it. So I already shook it out, to be honest. So, yeah. Hey, stay that way. I'm recording video. Y'all clean up this room when y'all put some clothes on. All right? All right? Don't hit me, dog. You know what I'm saying? All right, son. You ready? Gotta do the rub. Come on, man.
You got it, Daddy? Is it going all right? Can you go back and get me some water?
Come on, bro. You ain't even back in your part. Leave my tripod alone. You didn't even do your part. Go vacuum. Come on. Come on, get your vacuum. Let's go. There you go. Vacuum. There you go. Yeah. Yes, son. Yes, son. Yes, son. Yeah. Yeah. No, man. This one yours. Don't even worry about something. It's already done. All right. So, yo. A little vacuum lines up out of it. Little vacuum line. Little vacuum line. All right, then you put the table back. Damn, still crumbs and shit. Vacuum cleaner probably did that shit. Anyway, get back to y'all on the table on the floor. The hell you laughing at, girl?
I didn't know how high the camera was for me to pass. What? We'll fix it.
It's on mute. Cause I'm doing a video.
Oh, Daddy's doing his video. You gotta wait.
Y'all need to clean out that room, like I said.
Oh, I just told them that.
Don't worry about no damn TV. Be focused on cleaning that room. Too many distractions. Hey, Suzanne. Y'all move that out the way so everybody can hear me. Son, leave it alone. Hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. Where you back into that? Hey. Go back to it. Alrighty. That's it, huh, son? Wrap it all up.
Bye, YouTube. Bye-bye.
This just got Cody's. All that coughing and stuff. Like vacuuming? It's gonna be a new job for you, new hobby? He already trying to plug it in, try to get right back to it. I see you, son. Hard working man, daddy love it. Peace.
Let's go. That's a fast car. 350.